Chapter 11. The Secret Door. The next day, armed with the golden key, Lily and Max headed to the town's old library. The library was a grand, ancient building with tall shelves filled with dusty books. They searched for a door that the key might open. After hours of searching, Max found a small, hidden door behind a bookshelf in the library's basement. With trembling hands, Lily inserted the key and turned it. The door creaked open, revealing a spiral staircase leading down. They cautiously descended the stairs, which led to an underground room filled with ancient books and artifacts. This hidden archive held the town's long-forgotten history and secrets. Chapter 12. The Lost History. Among the artifacts, they found letters, maps, and old tools. Each item had a story to tell. They learned about the town's founders, the challenges they faced, and the adventures they had. One particular scroll caught Lily's eye. It was a map that showed another hidden location, not far from the town. The map indicated that this place was an old fortress, now in ruins, but filled with untold treasures and stories. Chapter 13. The Second Journey. Excited by their discovery, Lily and Max decided to explore the old fortress. They gathered supplies and set out early the next morning. The path was difficult, with steep hills and dense forests, but they were determined. After a long hike, they reached the ruins of the fortress. It was an impressive structure, even in its dilapidated state. They carefully made their way inside, exploring each room and corridor. Chapter 14. The Guardian. In the heart of the fortress, they encountered a stone statue of a knight. As they approached, the statue came to life. It was a magical guardian, tasked with protecting the fortress's secrets. The guardian challenged them with a series of riddles and puzzles. Lily and Max worked together, using their knowledge and wits to solve each one. The guardian, impressed by their teamwork and intelligence, granted them access to the fortress's inner sanctum. Chapter 15. The Inner Sanctum. Inside, they found more treasures than they had ever imagined. There were gold coins, jewels, and ancient relics. But the greatest treasure was a collection of books that detailed the history of the land, filled with stories of bravery, wisdom, and adventure. Lily and Max carefully took notes and copied the most important information. They knew that sharing this knowledge with their town would enrich everyone's understanding of their heritage and inspire future generations. Chapter 16. The Return. Their return to town was met with great excitement. The townspeople were eager to hear about the fortress and the secrets it held. Lily and Max shared everything they had learned, sparking a newfound interest in the town's history. The mayor decided to preserve the hidden archive and the fortress, turning them into museums and educational centers. Lily and Max were hailed as heroes once more, their names forever remembered in the town's history. Chapter 17. The Future Adventures. Lily and Max's adventures didn't end there. They continued to explore, learn, and uncover the secrets of their world. Their curiosity and bravery led them to places they had only dreamed of before. One day, they decided to visit the highest mountain in the region. They packed their bags and set off early in the morning. The climb was steep and challenging, but they encouraged each other, knowing that the view from the top would be worth it. Chapter 18. The Mountain Secret. As they climbed, they noticed strange symbols carved into the rocks. They followed these symbols, which led them to a hidden cave. Inside the cave, they found ancient paintings and carvings that told the story of an ancient civilization that once lived in the mountains. The paintings depicted great warriors, wise elders, and mysterious creatures. Lily and Max were fascinated. They carefully documented everything they saw, knowing that these discoveries would be valuable to historians and archaeologists. Chapter 19. The Mysterious Creature. While exploring the cave, they heard a soft rustling sound. Turning around, they saw a small, glowing creature with wings. The creature introduced itself as Lumina, a guardian of the mountain's secrets. Lumina was friendly and agreed to guide them further into the cave. Lumina led them to a hidden chamber filled with sparkling crystals and a glowing pool of water. The crystals emitted a soft, magical light that reflected off the water, creating a mesmerizing display of colors. Chapter 20. The Crystal Pool. Lumina explained that the pool was enchanted and had healing properties. It was used by the ancient civilization for various rituals and ceremonies. Lily and Max were amazed by the beauty and magic of the place. They carefully collected a few crystals as souvenirs, promising to protect and respect the mountain's secrets. Chapter 21. The Return Journey. After spending hours in the cave, they decided to head back. Lumina thanked them for their respect and kindness, promising to always watch over them. With their new discoveries, Lily and Max began their descent down the mountain. They returned to town, eager to share their findings. The townspeople were once again captivated by their adventure and the magical places they had discovered. The local historian was especially excited about the ancient civilization and its significance. Chapter 22. The Town Museum. The mayor decided to create a special exhibit in the town museum dedicated to Lily and Max's adventures. The exhibit included the treasures from the hidden valley, the artifacts from the old fortress, and the crystals from the mountain cave. Lily and Max were honored guests at the opening ceremony. They shared stories and answered questions, inspiring many young children to dream of their own adventures. Chapter 23. The Growing Friendship. Over time, Lily and Max's friendship grew even stronger. They supported each other through every challenge and celebrated every success together. They learned that true friendship was one of the greatest treasures of all. They continued to explore new places, each adventure bringing new knowledge and experiences. Their bond was unbreakable, and they knew that they could face any obstacle as long as they were together. Chapter 24: A New Mystery. One day, while exploring an old library in a neighboring town, they found a mysterious book. The book contained a riddle and a map leading to a place called the Island of Wonders. The riddle hinted at hidden treasures and ancient secrets. Excited by the prospect of a new adventure, Lily and Max began planning their journey to the island. They gathered supplies, studied the map, and prepared for the unknown challenges that awaited them. Chapter 25: The Journey to the Island. They set sail on a small boat, navigating through calm and rough waters. The journey was long and tiring, but they were determined to reach the island. Along the way, they encountered dolphins, flying fish, and even a friendly whale that guided them through a storm. Chapter 26: The Island of Wonders. When they finally reached the island, they were awestruck by its beauty. The island was lush with greenery, exotic flowers, and crystal-clear streams. They followed the map, which led them through dense jungles and over rocky hills. As they explored, they discovered ancient ruins, hidden caves, and mysterious artifacts. The island was indeed filled with wonders and secrets waiting to be uncovered. Chapter 27: The Heart of the Island. In the heart of the island, they found a grand temple adorned with intricate carvings and statues. Inside the temple, they discovered an ancient relic that glowed with a warm, golden light. The relic was said to hold the power of the island and its secrets. With the relic in hand, they felt a deep connection to the island and its history. They knew that their journey had only just begun and that there were many more adventures waiting for them. Chapter 28: A Bright Future Together. Lily and Max returned home with the relic and a wealth of new knowledge. They shared their findings with their town, once again becoming heroes and inspiring others to seek their own adventures. As they looked to the future, they knew that their friendship and love for exploration would continue to lead them to amazing places. Every day was a new beginning, and they were ready to embrace it together. Their adventures taught them the importance of curiosity, bravery, and friendship. With each journey, they grew stronger and wiser, knowing that the world was full of wonders just waiting to be discovered.